Hi guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Alice Walker here from Alicewalker.London. Today we're going to be reviewing and swatching an eyeshadow palette that I purchased from Amazon. I purchased it with the lipstick I reviewed last week. This is the look I came up with the eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette is very affordable, it's inexpensive. I purchased it for Amazon. So it's actually called Magic Eyeshadow Fantasy Changeable. And I have not heard of this until I saw it on Amazon and it looked very good. So I decided to again do a review. I did purchase quite a bit of stuff actually. You know, Christmas is coming. So this is the cover. I've taken the cover out and this is how the palette looks like. It's all black and it's got the name on it, Changeable Fantasy. It's saying that this eyeshadow palette is 39 dialed up and is deeply pigmented shades with 4 rows of stunning colors combo and 1 roll of supersized shades. Got a hardcover, and when you open it, oh, actually fell out. It has this plastic sleeves that protects the eyeshadow, and the inside again it doesn't have a mirror but it has a name in there, Fantasy. It does give you ingredients of what's actually in the eyeshadow palette, so it has all the ingredients at the back, and I do suggest that you read it very carefully before you use this palette, and it tells you what to expect inside the palette, but it just doesn't give you the names of the shades. This is how the inside looks like. I've used this palette before. I used it to do a look, and this is the second look that I'm actually using it to do. As you can tell, it is so gorgeous, like very pigmented. Comes in 39 shades, and look at the colors. The colors are absolutely gorgeous. It's got the lilac or purple shades here, and it's got the blue shades here, it's got the green shades here, and you can get warm shades here in the middle as well, the gold shades. It has some metallic shades and also some shimmers in there, some mattes in there as well. So now I'm gonna do some swatches for you guys. I'll be doing roll on roll because this is quite a lot in there. We're gonna swatch the first roll.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend.
The first roll, which is not so bad. We have some rose gold, so we have a rose gold here, we have gold, and then we have some warm colors in the middle. I'm gonna swatch the second roll.
I'm the one you ride to. If you don't.
So this is actually the second roll, which has 3 shimmers and the rest are matte. Now we're gonna swatch the third roll. On the box they call it super size. Okay, so we're gonna swatch this one.
I can help you out. I can help you out.
Right, so this is the third roll. Now we're gonna swatch the fourth roll.
I can help you out. I can help you out.
That's the fourth roll. We're gonna swatch the last roll, which is the fifth roll.
I can help you out. I can help.
This is the end of the swatching. As you can tell, it is a very pretty palette. I'm actually really happy with the palette, and I'm very happy with the pigment, and I'm actually very happy with how it turned out on my eye. The pigment is just unreal. You have a standard size in the middle here, and then the rest are medium size. Even though they call this super size, I don't call it super size. You know, you can create a lot of looks with this eyeshadow palette. There's something for everyone really. So if you're into bold colors, they've got some bold colors here, and also if you're into quite neutral colors as well, they do have some neutral colors here. I love this palette. I'm going to be using it quite a lot for a lot of looks, and the colors I've actually used on my eye is around here. As you can tell, I used a lot of these purples, and then I used some of the browns here, and I've actually used the gold here as well. If you want to know how I achieved this eye look, please stay tuned. I'm going to be doing a demo for you guys.
Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friend.
Alright guys, so today we're going to be using this side of the palette to do my eye. So we're going to be using the purple. I'm going to be using that for my transition shade.
we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out. Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no one to ride to. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out. Look, if you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide,
Alright guys, so I'm gonna go off camera and put my eyelashes on.
ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out. Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run